Guys, I'm back with another video, and I think there's gonna be another storm. It's pretty windy. God damn! If you guys can see, look at those trees over there, and those trees. Freaking, it's windy as fuck right now. Like, look over there. Those trees. It's windy and look at the clouds. I think it's gonna be a storm. Fucking hell! This is gonna be a bad storm. I'm not even kidding. Whoa! Pushing me away! This wind is so strong, it's literally pushing me. Holy crap! Look at those. As you can see, it's literally gonna rain. Freaking a storm too. Look at that. I'm trying to go more back. I think there's a dust storm. Look, you see it? What? Dude, there's literally a rainstorm, a thunderstorm, a windstorm, and a dust storm. Like, the hell? Are you serious? The last time it was this bad, well, it wasn't that bad last time. Well, it was actually. But the freaking trees are going crazy, dude. Look at that freaking tree. Oh! Damn! Is the wind really that strong? Holy crap! What the hell? Dude! The wind is so strong! Holy shit! Dude! What the crap? Dude! Oh, fuck. It's so windy right now! Holy crap! Dude, if you are with me right now, like, seriously, freaking dust is getting my eyes. Oh, god damn, I can't see shit. Prepare for this, huh, Mom? Wow, dude, this is crazy. Hopefully, all the bugs are gonna fly away. It's like a tornado for them. Super tornado. Dude, what the hell? Calm down, wind. Fucking tornado up in here. I live in Phoenix, United States, America. And there's literally a fucking tornado. It's basically a tornado. Come on, we can't have a tornado here. Like, this wind is fucking strong as fuck. What happened? Alright, hold on. Loose things. What?
Strips.
Oh, yeah.
The fiber from the tarp. Striped?
As you guys see, the water is literally falling out because the wind is so strong. Look at that, dude. This is some crazy ass wind. Fucking tornado. Holy shit. Play some basketball, dude. Oh, god damn, what a fuck. This is actually my third channel. If you guys don't know me, I'll leave my channel in the description down below. And I have 3 channels, which my main one is Astro Infinity. I don't know if you guys know them yet, but you should definitely go check them out. That's me. And I have a second channel that was Twitch, but really I don't use that channel anymore. subscribe and support. And hopefully I don't die in the storm, because this is pretty strong wind. Holy shit. Mom! You see this wind? Oh, oh damn! Oh, freaking dirt's getting my eyes. Ow! I'm trying to make it. You see right there? Oh wow, that was freaking. Oh yeah, you guys should go check out my other two videos that I uploaded. Let's go. What the hell? The wind is too strong. The wind's seriously gonna blow me away any minute now. And I'm gonna like fucking fly to Texas or something. Fly to California. You guys are probably asking, why am I kicking a soccer ball? Well, technical reasons. But holy shit, dude. What the fuck? It's so windy. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna end the video there. It's pretty strong wind, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Ow, dirt's more in my eye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment down below.